Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is your way to prosperity. Now prosperity includes lot of your bank accounts, not only your bank account that we know of, but it includes your well-being, it includes your happiness factor, relationships and so many other things. So we talk about money, the factor of money in your life. How can you become richer? How can you lead a rich and abundant life? Now, whenever we think of richness, whenever we think of more money, we tend to make changes on the outside. I have to work hard. Life is a struggle. I have to improve my educational qualifications. It is always about controlling or changing something on the outside. But money is a vibration. Your thought is also vibration and they are powerful vibration. As a spiritual being, actually most of our life is happening at the non-physical level. But because we cannot prove it through our logic. 2, we cannot see it in the physical dimension. We cannot make a connection between the two. But whatever you are creating in your physical reality is first created at the non-physical level. That is at the level of your thoughts. That is why they say change your thoughts, change your life. So look around in your life. And in order to create abundance, all you have to do is change your mindset. So what kind of mindset will that be? The mindset of richness, rich thought. You are already whole, you are already enough as you are right now and you are trying to improve. Now if you have a mindset of lack, I am not enough. I have to achieve this and once I achieve this, I'll be happy. Now this is a mindset of lack. And if you keep focusing on that aspect of your life which is not up to the mark, that is also a mindset of lack. Then you will ask me, do all rich people look happy? Not necessarily, because what happens is somewhere today your purpose in life is different, but then you have to reinvent your purpose in life. You reach here on a higher pedestal. Now you have to reinvent your purpose. So you have to think of new purpose, think of new ways to reach out to others. Your life is all about service. So first and foremost, all you have to do is not do something because it is a trend in the society, it can fetch you more money. No. You must choose a vocation only because it makes you feel happy. You have an aptitude, you just feel joyful doing it. This is how you choose what you do. And now you are reaching out and serving so many people. And now, as you exude a mindset of peace, of love, of being in the flow, like athletes. The best of athletes are always in a flow. They're not thinking anything when they are running. They are in the zone. That is where you have to be all the time, in the zone. Once you are in the zone, then all your work is done automatically. You are never tired of doing it. You want to do it more and more. You just want to be engrossed doing it all the time. That is what you call as be in the flow. Now abundance flows in. So you see, everything is about your mindset. Even the money you attract in your life is about your mindset. Now if you think money is bad, it is the source of all evil, then money will never flow to you. Money is not evil. You make it. The way you utilize it in your life makes it good or evil. That is about your own habits, the way you use money. Richness serves the purpose of everyone. Once you are rich, it will help everybody around you. So Prosperity serves the needs of everyone. It is good for the society, for individuals around you, and for your country. In every way, prosperity is fruitful. So be generous. It is not like I'll reach there, I'll become rich, and then I'll start giving, then I'll be generous. If you keep counting pennies, that is what you'll keep counting. And then when your turn comes, the universe will also count and give you. Then that is not what you call as abundance. When you are generous in giving, then the universe is generous in giving to you, because it wants a medium so that it can continue the flow of abundance to everyone. So you become that medium, and then the flow continues. It can be flow of knowledge, it can be flow of anything, of joy. So how do you see yourself reaching out to people around you? How do you see yourself giving, loving, and anything that you are doing must be beneficial for individuals in the society, and this is how you attract abundance in your life. You have to have a mindset of abundance. It is not that you are only giving, you must keep a part of it for yourself also, and the magic will continue in your life. You will see it growing. It will just continuously flow in your life, and you will see abundance, money, all kinds of prosperity growing in your life. Another factor for becoming rich, prosperous, and enjoying a great lifestyle in your life is belief. Do you believe? Do you believe that you can be rich? You can be rich? No. Do you believe you are rich? Do you believe you are abundant? If you keep pinpointing on all your flaws in life, how can you be rich? So just be kinder to yourself. Now you will be really surprised, because you have a conditioned mind to believe that you need to work hard to become rich. You need to accumulate some kind of qualifications to become rich. That is okay. If you are enjoying doing that, keep doing it. But money is vibration, and all you have to do is change your mindset, change your thoughts about money, about yourself, and about your life in general. If you expect good things to come to you, that is what will come to you. So believe that all the best things are lined up for you. The best things are coming to you. You are in the receiving mode all the time, happy, joyful, contented, satisfied. Because if you are dissatisfied here, now, in the here and now, you will never be satisfied. Even after you get $1 million, you will look at the other person, because you are conditioned to compare and compete all the time. You will see those $2 million and feel unhappy. So happiness is a state of mind, and happiness is right here where you are right now. Be happy with all that you have. Say thank you for every little blessing in your life, and then you will see prosperity and abundance growing in your life. And I am talking about money that you require, that you think about. We all think about in our life that we must be rich. I am talking about money, and money will come when you change your belief about yourself. You are already worthy of receiving lot of money. You are worthy of becoming abundant as you are. Keep improving, that is fine. You have an abundant mindset. You are generous. You are not critical of what is going wrong in your life. In fact, you are focusing on all that is good in your life, and you keep giving gratitude. These are the ingredients to become rich. Then how is it that those who win lottery go back to becoming their poor selves? Or why is it that every rich person doesn't look happy? Because of their mindset. Somewhere, if the mindset again is about comparing, competing, not having enough, they start feeling not enough because somebody else has more. Then again, you see, you have to change your mindset and you have to keep fine tuning your mindset all the time, even after you become rich. This fine tuning it is a continuous process. So you have to do it now and then later. When you see abundance flowing in your life, you have to sit, meditate and see if you are going wrong somewhere, what kind of thoughts you are thinking all the time, and you will be surprised that only abundance will keep flowing in your life. Abundance of everything, money, yes, and other factors, well-being, relationships, happiness, everything, all kinds of abundance. It is not difficult, it is easy. And who creates it? It is you. You are not able to realize the connection between what you speak, what you think, what you do, and what you see in your life. So once you start making this connection, you will just understand the algorithm of the universe, the algorithm of prosperity in your life. When you want, please, I want this, give me this, it will never come to you. You run after it and it eludes you. It runs away from you. Now you are satisfied, contented. You reach out to give out anything that you can give out. You are generous. You are reaching out in love for sharing with others. Now abundance starts pouring into your life. How do you feel? Do you feel rich? I am rich. I am abundant. This is the thought you must feel right now. In this now you are carving out your life for tomorrow. So what are your thoughts about you, about your life in this present moment? This present moment is all you have. That is why it is a gift. You are creating your life in this present moment. What are the vibrations you are exuding? Money is a vibration. Now, if your vibration is one of an abundant mindset, abundance will flow in. If you are living in lack, criticizing, complaining, competing, what will happen? You'll keep chasing abundance and it will run away from you. So who doesn't want to become rich? Not if you. We all want to become rich and prosperous, absolutely abundant. This is the way to prosperity. This is the way to abundance. And then you'll have a fine lifestyle. And it is like abundance just flows into your life because you believe that you are abundant, because you believe that life is abundant. You believe that that is the only way of living life. In joy, in abundance, in richness, in prosperity, in sharing, in loving. This is your life, and then abundance finds you wherever you are right now. This is all. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. See you rich. I send you my love and blessings. May you be abundant in all areas of your life. May you enjoy well-being, peace, lot of love, wellness in your life. Thank you. Namaste.